So here's a quick demo on how to add the conference room to an event. So go ahead and click Create Event, and you can fill in all the details and title, but the special part is by clicking on Rooms, and then Browse All Rooms and Resources. And you can click School and choose the conference room. So once you check that, you'll have the conference room booked. Hit the back button, and you can fill out the guests and everything and hit save, and that conference room will be booked. So to see what's going on in the conference room every day, on other calendars, click plus, and then click subscribe to calendar. And excuse me, and browse resources. Click Sanctuary School and click Conference Room, and then you're all set. Click the back button here, and you will see the event we made, as well as any events going on in the conference room.